Most people know garlic because for its noticeable scent. But did you know that this member of the onion family is actually really good for you? It can do a number of positive things for your health. The antioxidants contained in garlic can lower your blood pressure because antioxidants maintain flexibility of arteries and blood vessels. According to the Anti-Aging Clinic Incorporated of Florida, garlic was used to treat arteriosclerosis, hardening of the arteries, by the Egyptians and earliest Chinese dynasties in folk medicine. As far back as the 1st century AD, Dioscorides wrote of its ability to clear the arteries. Some studies have shown that eating garlic can reduce the risk of stomach cancer and cardiovascular disease. And of course, garlic is good because of the flavor it adds to any dish. It is commonly known as Italian candy because it is in nearly all Italian recipes. Garlic can flavor food without raising your blood pressure, as can its sister foods, onions and chives. http://www.divavillage.com/article.php. It equals 24467. Ashley for Mama Vega.